Before we start the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So as you can see, we are on the Ahmedabad Baroda Express Highway. तो मेरे ही वीडियो में मॉर्विन क्या बकबक कर रहा है मुझे भी नहीं पता। तो यहाँ मैं पढ़ाई कर रही हूँ और ये दोनों मस्ती कर रहे हैं। So, at the end of the Ahmedabad Baroda Express Highway, we stopped to have breakfast. We kids wanted to eat Subway, while our parents decided to eat Gujarati snacks such as dokla, fafda, thepla, and also had some tea. आप देख रहे हो कि मेरे दोनों दोस्त सबवे की सैंडविच मुझे छोड़ के दबा दबा कर खा रहे हैं। After our breakfast, we continued our journey to Statue of Unity. On the way, we had a light rainfall which made the atmosphere very pleasant. Finally, we reached Statue of Unity, and that is the entry of Statue of Unity, the Ekta Dwar. Ekta means unity. This is our resort, Sardar Sarovar Dham, which is managed by the Fern Group of Hotels. हम लोग इतने एक्साइटेड थे कि हम अपना लगेज, पेरेंट्स, रूम का कार्ड सब छोड़ के पहले पूल को चेक करने गए. The checking process was very easy and quick. Here you can see us excited and rushing to our room. The best part was this time our parents let us have our own room, all for ourselves. That is our room, which is nice, clean and big. After 1.5 years, I was going to use the swimming pool due to COVID-19. ये बहुत ही इमोशनल मोमेंट था मेरे लिए. हम लोग का दिल और दिमाग स्विमिंग पूल में ही था. Of course, मॉर्विन हमारे साथ नहीं सो सकता. उसके लिए है अलग से सोफा कम बेड. Here you can see us swimming and enjoying like crazy kids, having the time of our lives. So now we are going to visit the Statue of Unity. You can see the newly built railway station, the Kevadia railway station, which is very well maintained and beautiful. This is the parking lot where you can park your vehicles. You are not allowed to take your car ahead of this place. Ahead, you can see the ticket counter, but we had already booked our tickets online. Every 15 to 20 minutes, they have AC buses which will be going to all the tourist spots in rotation. Here you can see the Statue of Unity from a distance. But first we will see the Sardar Sarovar Dam. So here you can see the Sardar Sarovar Dam, which is very huge and beautiful. Here we ate some corn, cucumbers with masala, ice cream, cold coffee and kulfi. Next we went to the Valley of Flowers. There were hundreds of beautiful and colorful flowers. यहाँ पर सीखने जैसा बहुत कुछ था. From the Valley of Flowers, we are heading to the main attraction, which is the Statue of Unity. This is a very big place and a well maintained place. It is also very clean here. Here you can see the ticket counter for the Statue of Unity. From this point onwards, you are not allowed to carry any food or water. There are few snack shop ahead of this point from where you may purchase food and water. Right now we are in the exhibition gallery at ground level. Here they have displayed the information on how the statue was made, how the local villagers live and what they do. Also, the history of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is well displayed. We are now heading to the viewing gallery at the top. We didn't buy express tickets as it was a weekday and the crowd was less. Here you can see the view from the top. It's really beautiful. The highest point in the statue is near the heart of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. From here you can get an amazing view of the Narmada river and the dam. Here we are giving you an exclusive view of the head of the statue. This is the internal structure of the statue. These two pillars that you can see where the elevators go up and down at the two legs of the statue. Now we are going to the feet of the statue. From here, the statue looks really big. From here, you can see the entire view of the entry. It has now become dark. It is time for the laser show. The laser show is supposed to be fantastic. Come, let's see a short preview of the laser show. We don't want to show you the entire show. We hope that you will come here and experience it on your own.
एक सक्रिय सिपाही थे झवेर भाई पटेल। करमसद गांव के इस बहादुर देशभक्त किसान और उनकी पत्नी लाड भाई के 5 बेटों और 1 बेटी में से चौथे पुत्र थे वल्लभ भाई। बालक वल्लभ ने करमसद के बाद नडियाद से अपनी हाई स्कूल की शिक्षा पूरी की। फिर 13 आकाश को छुए
Now we are heading towards the Unity Glow Garden. The Unity Glow Garden is a beautiful place. You must visit this place. Remember to visit this place after viewing the laser show. When you come here, you'll see lighted trees, umbrellas, animals in all various colors. Here at this time you can also see the light show on the dam. The light show on the dam is extremely beautiful. We spent some time talking, taking selfies, playing with lights and playing with friends. At the end of the day, we were extremely tired and we wanted to get back to the rooms. So bye for now and soon you'll see my second vlog of Statue of Unity. Bye bye. Tata.